I'm sure you've heard the news. Tiny kitchens are in, but clutter is definitely out. Ready to make the most of your mini space? Let's dive into some big solutions for small kitchens. First things first, declutter like you mean it. If that avocado slicer hasn't seen daylight in a year, it's time to say goodbye. Next, think vertical. Walls aren't just for art. Try magnetic knife strips, pegboards, or open shelves to free up your counters. Drawer dividers and shelf risers? Total game changers for squeezing every inch out of your space. And don't ignore those awkward corners. Corner shelves can turn wasted space into storage gold. Go for multitaskers, like blenders that chop, mix, and puree, so you're not hoarding a gadget for every job. Finally, the golden rule for every new kitchen gadget you bring in: let one go. Keeping it simple keeps it sane. Remember, a tidy kitchen isn't just pretty, it makes cooking fun again. Now go on, reclaim that countertop.